Um, Welcome to my channel, and if you are new viewer, please subscribe my channel. And my channel name is this, as you can see, like Techno Sohel. So here I'm going to explain you like how you can create a video using AI, like similar to the news channel. Okay, so here in my channel, let me tell you like what and all the topics I discuss in my channel, like Hindi and English, both the things I just mentioned. And you can just subscribe my channel and go through my all videos. It will be very helpful for you. So like in this video today, I'm going to discuss like how we can create a video similar like this.
Metabolism. These factors can lead to health challenges such as osteoporosis, cardiovascular issues, and lower energy levels. While a balanced diet and regular exercise
So I hope you saw this. Like similar way, this is a AI woman. It is not a real one. So similar way, like you can also create a video, and not only this way, multiple ways are there. You can create it. So before creating it, like let's go, like and have a look into like what is a trending topic today. So that according to the trending topic you can create, or else you can go for a news as well. So let's discuss like today like what and all the trending topics are. Like in order to go see like to visit this website, you have to go first. You need to search like you know Google Trends. Okay, when you search this Google Trends, you get this one, and in the first tab, like first you have to click, then you have to go to trending now. Then like you can filter it according to 4 hours, 48 hours, like at your convenient. And here you can see like there is a some show active trends only. If you enable it, only the active trending will be there, and you can filter it by title, or else you can filter it by search volume, or you can filter it by recency as well as relevance. So I go with the search volume. Most of the people, what they are searching, those things I get it here. That example, like I can take any one topic. Let's go with the tomorrow weather Bangalore. Okay, so tomorrow weather Bangalore, I got this topic, and in the Google I just search this, and you can see you have this option. But we need is the details. So details is like you can see in the right side, according to the current forecast. So you just copy this, and you have to visit a website. I will share you the link in my description. So here you have visit that, and templates you can find it here, like at what purpose is required, like all use cases. Here you can see advertisement, e-commerce, learning development, explainer video, social media, business card, health and medical, festival, breaking news, and others. So today we are discussing about the weather. So let's see like any weather templates is available or not. Topic like templates related to the weather. Okay, and enter. So you can see like we got this, like we don't have any particular template related to the weather, so we can use any of these templates if we don't have it. So let's go for this one.
Hello, I'm Angela, an avatar jet. Imagine sending.
Whatever
Hello.
background you want, you can
Imagine sending a video message.
Hey there, I'm Matthew.
Imagine sending a.
Hey there, I'm Matthew.
create with AI Studio. Okay. Here first thing what you have to do is here in the script you have to write what is required and what you know the things you want to. So here existing script is there, you can just delete script. So only one script is remaining, so here I will just paste this part. So now let's play this video.
According to current forecasts, tomorrow's weather in Bangalore is expected to be partly cloudy with a high chance of scattered.
So you can see like a person is not talking. Once we export it, we will see a clear moment here. So here like you can see it is a avatar. So avatar also you can select it. You can see here like multiple avatars are there. You can go for anything. So let's go for this one, and in this also you can see this. Okay, now let's start once again. And in case if you want a background, even also you can change that, and you can add elements, assets.
Chance of scattered thunderstorms. The temperature is like.
So if you are a YouTuber, then you can just add it, or if you want Instagram, WhatsApp, anything you can add. Okay. Now what we have to do is, after this we have to submit. Then whatever the file name you want to then you can go for it. I just clip one. So resolution will be like 720. If you want more resolution, then you have to go for a paid version. It is a free version. Then format is like you can see like MP4 and WebM is available. So I go for a MP4, then I submit it. If I do that, like it is telling this issue may affect the final outcome of generated video. It is recommended to update your video before submission. So submit anyway, I do it. So once submitted, if you want to comment, like you can just, I will just close this. So you can see here like 33% is ready. So I had completed this video like it was 100%. We need to wait for a few minutes. Let's wait. It is 77% is ready now. So let's wait for 100%. So you can see it is 100% completed. So let's click on this and we'll play. It is loading, so please wait.
According to current forecasts, tomorrow's weather in Bangalore is expected to be partly cloudy with a high chance of scattered thunderstorms. The temperature is likely to range from 24 degrees C to 28 degrees C, with humidity levels remaining moderate.
I hope you just got to know like how we can do it. And if you want to download this, you can click on this download original video. Same quality and same video will be downloaded, and there will not be any watermark. So I hope this video was very helpful for you, and still you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and you can give us topics so that we can make video on those. Thank you for watching.